What are you doing?
Gotta get a lot more air on this.
Yeah, I can see it.
Damn it! A lot better. Oh, it's over there.
Yay!
Oh.
Get in it!
Oh, my lord! Oh,
Oh, there goes your nice white coat.
shit! Fuck! You're gonna die! Oh! Oh! Oh, I landed on so hard! Oh, my ass! I'm scared!
You broke my kneecaps! Ouch! Oh my god! Why don't you use the regular part of the hammer?
Fucking go!
You're doing it wrong! No! Along the sides. Where's weakest?
I like that part better. Sorry, you damn thing hole.
You're doing it wrong!
Oh, fine.
You got your tetanus shot?
No?
Get in! Oh, it's like art. It's a thing. Shh. Now if you keep your leg in the freezer,
Why would I keep my leg in the freezer?
because it gets chopped off by the rusty metal. And it's like, oh god, look, her leg's over there and she's over there. And put a little snow on it. It's good. You put your leg in the freezer.
So what am I supposed to do? Walk around like this all the time?
Duh. Is someone in the outhouse?
Who is here?
I thought I heard someone go, ugh!
Who the hell is here?
Jesus! Oh, you bitch!
Get surgery!
Get laid!
If that barrel's about to come at me, I'm gonna shoot you in the face.
Does it make it louder? I don't have my tetanus shot, fucker!
Here do I!
Listen, see if it's loud. You're not listening!
Okay!
It's loud! Hey! I took NyQuil this morning. I ran out of Dayquil. Oh, you bent, you fat ass! It's oblong! You can't roll oblong! There you go. My fat ass fixed it. Knock knock!
Not here! Oh!
Sled fight!
Hey! Hi!
Where's your sled?
Up there!
Ah!
Fucker!
Girl fight!
Oh! Oh!
You lose.
Why would you? I have to pee. That's not cool. No, I'm not going to porta potties. Are you kidding me? Those things are gonna...
I only tipped over the left one.
Nick should have been in there.
So the right one should be good, okay?
I have a feeling they clean them out every summer.